how to create an account on Genshin Impact mobile game. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also downloaded the Genshin Impact game on your mobile, so it's better to have an account to save your progress. So first thing what you need to do is, if you have just installed, you can simply tap on this play button over here and it will open up the game. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, and once the game loads properly, it will automatically ask you for the user account just like this. So if you have previously registered, you can simply tap on this registered enter email and enter password just like this and enter all of your details correctly and click on login. And as you can see, there is also account option called register now, so you can basically create a new account if you don't have one. So I'll just head over to register now button over here. So now once you're inside here, you just make sure to agree the terms and policy and simply enter your email address, which you will be using in your to save the progress of this game. So once you enter it, it might provide you with the captcha, so just finish it. And once you verify it, you should be successfully logged into your account, and you just have to simply again accept all the terms and policy. Now we just have to select your server, whether you are which region you are in, just click on continue and just tap on continue for the game to download all of the packages needed to run the game properly. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.